Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. The other day I did a video about what to do with all these boho bead links, and I talked about putting them in a like a little boho dangle, maybe like this, and dropping a shell or something off the end. And I also talked about how you can make jewelry out of them. And that's what I'm going to do today. I'm trying to figure out if I want to use these as earrings and just have this as a focal, or actually I think I'm going to use all of this for the necklace. So what I'm going to need, I need 1, 2, 3, 4 jump rings. And since I used this wire to wire these beads, they're calling it coconut, but it's very close to the brass, so that's what I'm going to be using. I need a chain, so I've got my brass chain, and we're using a Rolo. I could use a toggle clasp, but I think I'm going to use a lobster claw. This is not going to slide around where you're going to see the clasp, and so I'm just going to use a lobster there. And of course we need the pliers that we need all the time, flat nose or some type of regular pliers. Round nose, I don't think I'm going to need round nose. Wire cutters. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a jump ring and hang our boho bead dangles, or bead links rather. And this is actually a really simple necklace to make. I do have some of these in my Etsy shop if you're interested in getting any of these boho bead links. Now I'm going to kind of curve this a little bit, and once I get it on, I'll probably curve it a little bit more, just so it's the shape of my neck. And then now we're going to attach our chain, and I'm going to need a ruler, so let me do this first and then grab a ruler real quick. Now typically a clasp runs about an inch. By the time you're going to need 2 jump rings. It's going to be right at an inch, maybe a smidgen over an inch. So when I'm measuring, I need to keep that in mind. I want this to be about a 17-inch necklace. So, actually I'll put this down here so I'll remember to add in that inch. Okay, so 12. And 5. That off, and see, this one's already open. There we go. And so I'm going to get rid of that and all this stuff. And what you're going to do is kind of even this up here. We're going to try to find the center of this chain. You see that link hanging down all by itself? That's what we're going to cut. Now if it winds up that you have two links, just pick one. It doesn't matter. There we go. And see where my lobster. And you saw that I was making sure it worked. You want to do that. I can't tell you how many of these lobster claws that I have gotten brand new out of the box that either didn't work or the little thing fell out. So you want to make sure that your lobster claw is intact and working. And then we're going to put a jump ring on this end. And the lobster. Close it up. Make sure it is closed. And the other end. Now if you were using a Rolo that was bigger, you may or may not need to have a jump ring. And this is what it looks like on. I love the boho style. What about you? Let me know down in the comment section if you're a boho gal. And thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.